What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So things are getting very, very interesting here because if you don't know, we had a situation that was going on with XRP, where XRP skyrocketed in price for some unknown reason to me until I went on Twitter and saw what was trending. XRP ETF. And I was like, why are we seeing XRP ETF that's trending? Are we actually getting an XRP ETF? And seeing all the different detail, it showed that it looked like we were getting an XRP ETF with this filing from BlackRock. However, maybe a few minutes later, as I was making, a video and everything, I see something that pops up and says, this was fake. So I stopped the video that I was recording and I was like, look, I'm going to go ahead and check this out a little bit more and see what has happened. Well, apparently a spokesperson has come out and said that this was all fake and that it was a bogus filing. And it definitely, I made a video out of it. It definitely brought a lot of people back to earth, right? You saw XRP go back to earth. It went from 73 cents back down. And we'll get into that as we go into the price. But there was some more interesting news that kind of, it's not interesting news, right? It's not news to anybody. But as we look at it, it looks more and more like maybe they were the ones that were lying and this is actually real. So I'm not 100% certain where we are because I'm trying to look for some more information to give me an understanding on whether it is or whether it isn't real. But either way, if this actually happens, if we see an XRP ETF at some point, which I believe we will, XRP will be worth a hell of a lot more. It will stabilize in price, right? We'll see a lot of traditionalists that are getting into it. We'll see a lot of hype that's built around it. And it won't only see, Bitcoin that's going to push up or Ethereum that's going to push up. You're going to see other things that deserve to have an ETF and end up having that ETF and push to a whole nother level. It's going to be insane movement for this position, but it's not 100% that it is real. So we need to know, if it's not real, then you need to take the steps to kind of take the things down or take those posts down, take whatever down in order to prove that it's not real, right? So let's get into this a little bit. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to check out those links. The link is in the description for my Rumble, if you guys want to follow my Rumble account, or any other different links that we have down there. If you guys want to get some Profit Apparel merch, we got this merch here and it's very simple, very clean. And, I like the long sleeve look to it. You guys can bring it up to a quarter sleeve or keep it long sleeve. I mean, it's a great t-shirt or even sweaters and all that stuff. Check out my store down below. But like I said, let's talk about XRP and let's give you an understanding of kind of what's happening because some people don't know what has even happened. They're looking at the overall price and they're like, what are you talking about? It's still at 65. It didn't skyrocket at all. Well, if you look at what has happened in the last 24 hours, you're going to see a larger spike. And it's going to look like those spikes where you saw in the stock market, where you see in the after hours market or the pre-market in like AMC or something, it pops to a price that's like 500% above where the current price is and then drops back down. That's kind of what it looks like because it increased up to a level of 73 cents and then decreased just as fast as it increased because of the fact that they came out and said, look, this is not real. This is false. This is a bogus report. This is a bogus filing. And typically, right, when you have bogus filings, when you have something that goes against what is reality and what was really filed by BlackRock or what was really filed by anybody, you would have action being taken, right? Go about trying to find out the source and try and get that taken down. Now, as you go on, X, I want to say Twitter. I keep stopping there because I wanted to say Twitter. As you go on X, and I posted about what am I hearing about this XRP ETF? And you see the different filings here. And that's the picture that came with it, that Peter actually put out here, but then also said that it gave me the link to it, the number to it, the search for it and what it's called and all of that stuff. I wanted to search for it myself. And I did end up doing that. So he ended up bringing this and said, look, it's on there. It's still on there. And we have these articles that are talking about how you have a bogus BlackRock XRP filing, the spoofs, ETF watchers, crypto traders, just everybody. So a spokesperson apparently came out and said that this is fake and that, it shouldn't be taken seriously. It should be, you should be looking at it and going, all right, well, this is not real because BlackRock has now come out and said that it's not real. However, just because they say that things are not real doesn't mean that they are not real, right? I feel like what they could be doing, right? This is a hypothetical scenario, right? What they could be doing is trying to suppress this news and just say that it's not being taken down, or it's there because somebody else created it. It's not what they are doing, but then all of a sudden it comes back up out of nowhere and you end up seeing some more news for XRP ETFs. But we don't really know 100% for sure. So you had this article talking about how it's fake and how you shouldn't take it seriously. But then if you go and search literally today, hopefully this comes up because for some reason my computer is not loading. It's acting up. Of course, it's going to act up today. Literally, if you go today, I'm just going to change the screen because it's not working. What is going on? If you go today and you go to that website, right? And I'll place the website down below because for some reason, like I said, my computer's not working. It wants to be dumb literally right now at the worst time possible when I'm about to end the video and literally get to the climax of this video, right? So if you go to the website right now and you type it in and you bring it up, it's still there. For something that is bogus, for something that is false, for something that is a lie, typically a government website, you would jump on the opportunity to pull it down, to get out of that position or find a way out. So I guess it's now not even loading at all, but we'll have to go into it and search for it. Actually, I have it right here. I trust XRP shares ETF. Let's see if it comes up. Here we go. So apparently it is still here. It is still here to this minute. I don't understand how it would be an extensive process to pull something off that is fake, but it's still here. It's making me think that that was a lie, that that you didn't see, that this wasn't filed by somebody who had malicious intent in any way and just seeing XRP's price pump. It makes me think that this is truly real in this filing. And they stated, like, why would they do that for a cryptocurrency project or a parent company that's in litigation right now? Understand that XRP was labeled as not a security, right? So understanding that portion of it, XRP is free and clear. But when it comes to Ripple itself, you still have a lawsuit there. However, BlackRock also may know something that we don't know because they have insiders. They have people that know a lot more than we know. So they may have information to say this is going to settle at this point in time, or they 100% are going to settle because maybe they don't want anything in return. They don't want them to do anything. And they're just going to say, look, we're done. It's all over. Or in the final judgment, what the final judgment's going to be. So ultimately, when I look at this, it's something that opens my eyes to like a situation where I'm like, I want to believe them and say, yeah, the spokesperson said that it's not real. But then again, when things aren't real, they get taken down very fast. If you have a false report, it gets taken down, especially since it's 11 a.m. right now. You would expect them to work on that maybe within the hour or within 2 hours. But you're talking about literally like 3 hours, 4 hours or something like that it takes for you to, end up taking this down, something that's false, something that's filed under somebody's name, a company's name that didn't actually file it. It should be gone. It should be gone within an hour. It should be gone within minutes, but it's not. So that's where it's like kind of confusing to me, to where it makes me think that this is real. And I'm seeing people that are saying kind of the same thing, that it may be real. However, we don't know 100%. So people that are buying just for that reason, for a short-term trade, for a short-term pump, you may not end up seeing that because the speculation is still there to say whether it is real or false. And maybe they just say it's false because they knew it would take away from any hype that it would have. Because if it was truly real and they came out and said, yeah, we did the filing, boom, it would be over $1 at this point, right? And they don't want that. They want it to be suppressed. They want it to be at a lower level. And the easiest way is to say that it's a lie and then not say anything else. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this and where you think it is. If you think it is truly a lie, and also explain why they would still have it up, still have the filing there. Let me know in the comment section below, because I'm always interested in your guys' comments. But it is something that I like to bring a dose of reality to, that it could be real, could be fake. You never really know. But if you're already invested in XRP, what the hell does it matter? If you were not invested in XRP, then maybe you need to hold it for the long term, or buy it and hold it for the long term, and actually just make a buy, make a purchase in XRP and hold it. Right? That's the best advice, if I had any advice to give to you. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below or follow me on Rumble, that link is also in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.